Hey there, it's Brittany, and it is Bargain Bead Box Day. So this month, which is March 2023, is Art Deco Luxe. Inspired by the glamour of the Roaring 20s, this package includes black, gold, teal, and green tones with a touch of pearlescence. Black agate and onyx teardrops combined with agate beads, coated hematite. We especially love the chevrons, lab created shell pearls, sparkling crystal accents, and high quality gold findings in an Art Deco inspired teardrop motifs. If you subscribe to the box, you also get a 30% off coupon for their sister site, Bead Box Bargains. And then if you're interested in subscribing, you can use coupon code Turquoise at the affiliate link below to save $2 off your first box. So let me see what's in here. All right, number one is an 8-inch strand of 5.5 by 6 millimeter hematite man-made coated chevron beads. This is so cool. First of all, teal is one of my favorites because it's so close to turquoise. I don't have these beads, and I haven't seen them from Bargain Bead Box before. These are so nicely coated, and they're just really on trend and very awesome. I love them. Those are really cool. Number two is a 7.5-inch strand of 4 millimeter finely faceted hematite man-made AB rounds. So they're black with a really cool AB finish on them. They're so dark. They're really neat. I really like how these are done, and the fastening's really nice. Number three is a 1 meter 3 by 2 millimeter brass oval jewelry chain, lead, nickel, cadmium free. It's pretty nice. It's that macaroni and cheese yellow though. Sometimes that gold can be a little bright. I tend not to use that color, but you can always paint that. Number four is a 50-piece 4 millimeter brass corrugated bicone spacer beads. Again, really on the bright side, but actually they're very similar, but they're not the exact same yellow gold. You have to be pretty close to them to be able to tell the difference, but it's that really bright gold. I would maybe tone this down with some patina paint. Five, a 7.5-inch strand of 8 millimeter white shell pearls. They're rounds. These are really nice. They're very hefty. I like how they feel. Those would look nice on a knotted project. Number six is 16 by 18 millimeter 18 karat gold plated brass swirled teardrop toggle clasp. Oh my goodness. That was a mouthful. This is really pretty though. That's very nice. And the gold, you can just tell the gold is a different tone. This is the nice gold tone. I love gold though. I love the gold tone things. Number seven is a 28 by 15 millimeter 18 karat gold plated brass filigree teardrop pendant nickel free. Very pretty. Again, that really nice gold tone. And number eight, 2 pieces 19.5 by 8 millimeter gold plated brass filigree teardrop charms, nickel free. These are really pretty. They're not completely flat. Those are gorgeous. Those are going to be pretty earrings. Beautiful. Number nine, a 16-inch strand, 4 by 6 millimeter crystal faceted rondelle beads in jet and gold. Very lovely. Did we get these like last month or the month before? Or something similar? Maybe I got these from a different bead box. I can't remember. Something similar recently came in this house. They're very pretty. Number 10, a 15-inch strand, 8 millimeter black agate, which is dyed and heated, round beads. These are nice. I love agate, even if they're dyed. I've seen the ones we get from Bargain Bead Box are really good quality. I haven't had any like dye rub off on any of my clothes or my skin from them. Believe me, it happens more often than you think with dyed beads. Those are really nice. Number 11 is a 4-piece 17 by 11 millimeter stainless steel open teardrop charms in golden, and made of hypoallergenic stainless steel. These are really pretty. They're they're kind of in between these two tones, which is so funny. They're more yellow, but I like them. I like how sleek they look. Those are really cute. Number 12, 15-inch strand of 8mm glass pearl beads, teal green. So this isn't the same. These are actually kind of lighter than I thought they were. Isn't the same green, or teal, I should say, because this is green. This is not. As the chevron beads, but they coordinate. I like them. This is like a little bit darker version of Kelly green to me. I wouldn't call it teal, but it's really pretty. I like that opaque green, and I like the feel of those beads. Number 13, 2-piece, 17.5 by 13mm onyx dyed in brass faceted teardrop charms, nickel free. These are cute. These are nice. Sometimes we've seen that they don't match, but these match perfectly. I like those. Those are really cute. We're going to see some really cute, I think, earrings from this box from people. And I actually, maybe we'll make a pair. I never make a pair of earrings during the Bargain Bead Box unboxing, but I think maybe we'll make a pair of earrings either in this video or very quickly after it. So that was number 13. Number 14 is a 10-piece strand, 10mm crystal faceted beryl beads in jet. Those are awesome. We've gotten this shape several times, but I don't think we've gotten black. So those are pretty cool. You can always use a little black bead. Number 15, approximately 37 by 21mm black agate faceted teardrop pendant, and it's dyed. That's nice. Matches the earrings really well, or well, the smaller pendants. Now I want to make a set. Y'all, I don't have time to make all this jewelry. I'm in the middle of packing. I actually packed up quite a bit of beads today, and I wanted to cry. Number 16, 7-inch strand of 10mm black and white agate. It's dyed and heated, and these are faceted. These are really cool. Wow, look at the banding on that one. They aren't Z agates, but they almost have that feel and look to them. This is a nice strand. If they have extras, I'd probably get more of this and these, because those are pretty cool. And then last but not least, number 17 is a 20-piece strand of 8mm crystal faceted drop beads, teal AB. These are gorgeous. They're little raindrop looking things. I like this whole box. I really think the only thing I didn't love were these two, just because of the color, but I could use them. I really liked this entire box. My favorites were this strand, this strand. I liked these, and these earring findings, but everything else was super cute too. Again, if you want to subscribe, use the coupon code Turquoise and the affiliate link in the description of this box or in the description of this video for $2 off your first box. Let's make some earrings. I really don't usually do that with Bargain Bead Box, but let's do it. All right, I grabbed some black 11/0 seed beads from my stash, and I'm just going to load on. I'm going to grab 5 of these. Very reminiscent of an earring that I made earlier this year for Mojo and Tucson, and I actually haven't even posted that video yet, but once you see it, you'll be like, oh, it's the same earring, but it's not, because that was chain. All right, so this I'm going to slide on a chevron, then a seed bead, and I'm going to do that alternating until I run out of chevrons. Okay, and then it doesn't really matter which way the chevrons face at the moment. I just want to make sure that my loops are going to be facing the same way, because my ear wire will be sideways. So typically ear wires face forward, but these are from Beadalon, and they're a style that faces like that. So just going to make sure that my I need to put on one more seed bead. I'm going to make sure that both loops are facing backwards. I'm going to put that like that. Do this. And then just bring that around. And I'm not wire wrapping this, but I started it like I was going to. Then I'm just going to snip my loop and close that up with my pliers. Okay. Then I'm going to come down to the other side, swing this open carefully, slide on my charm, come to my ear wire, do the same move. And there we go. We have a fun, funky, trendy pair of earrings. I love this box. This box was really great. I mean, it got me to make a pair of earrings right away. So thanks so much for watching. Let me know what you thought. And then again, if you want to subscribe, use my coupon. It's Turquoise at the link in the description. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for Goldie. She's super cute. Bye-bye. Hi, kitty. Aw, you love mommy, huh? Yeah. You're such a good girl. That little nose. Oh, there she is. You need a haircut. Yeah. He's a good girl. Mommy loves you. So does everybody else. Good night.